Give me an example, because apparently a grand jury looked at these text messages already and said there's nothing here to go forward. They no-billed it to go forward with Karen Read being responsible for witness intimidation. So what's an example of something that perhaps the prosecution can use at this retrial?
Oh, absolutely. Here's an easy example. What I think that they're worried about is, hey, maybe I did something like this, but why would they do this? So she would have some sort of an admission or some sort of a conscience of guilt that's not related to the witness intimidation, but could be relevant to maybe an underlying, fact in her case that she's challenging. Maybe something along the lines of, I wasn't part of that, that, or I wasn't there, or I dropped them off. Anything could happen. But at the end of the day, it is relevant for Hank Brennan to at least be able to see these, because there might be something relevant to her case. It could be relevant to her case, but not relevant to whether or not she was guilty of witness intimidation. And while, I'm in Michigan too, so I'm a huge Paula Lofton fan, I just don't agree that these are not relevant for Hank Brennan. I think they are relevant for Hank Brennan, because at the end of the day, I can tell you, Judge Beverly Canoni has not made any mistakes so far in this case. So put it in her hands. Let her decide whether or not this is relevant to her case. If she decides it is, it is. If she decides it isn't, it isn't.